I think at the end of the day, it comes down to the fundamental. And the fundamental is that we see things, or not just you and I, but some people.
Systematize your intuition. That's the quote of the day. There is a difference, and tell me if I'm wrong, Anthony. There is a difference between.
I mean, technology levels a playing field for all of us. I mean, no doubt, number one. But number two, what I've learned, what Meghan has.
So when you are neurodiverse or chronically ill, or you do have anything going on, you can't have this rigid start.
AI is not your enemy, but I do have the experience in customer success and customer service and this and that.
If you're not dealing with a neurodiverse type of situation or chronically ill, you can probably go longer. Everyone, and there are some people out there say that everyone's on the spectrum. It just depends on what level you are. And I don't know if I necessarily 100% agree with that. If your customers don't receive anything at all when they're expecting a response, that's going to piss them off more than receiving something odd. You'll be able to take all your sales calls on the app, like through your phone, because it's connected to DMC, and it will still decrease the stress, increase the dopamine. This is what automation does, people. What we're doing with you and your automation is helping relieve.
That is an unbelievable perspective.
No one cares, okay? I know everyone thinks that their job and that's what the real deal is here. We're changing people's lives. This is not about me building you a lifestyle. My GPT is a custom GPT that's been modeling off me for years. I need you to prioritize what I should be. Help me prioritize what I.
It's so automated. Stop doing that. That's horrible. It's all bots. It's all automated. You submit a support ticket.
Well, DMC now integrates with Calendly because Calendly is so easy for people to set up. It's very, very easy.
When we're talking and everything, we're able to bring up the calendar.